Good afternoon, ladies, gentlemen, excellencies, distinguished guests, all protocols observed. I hope you're all having a lovely Sunday. Okay. Good morning, Dad. The next president of Kenya. My name is Marianne Atsanzale Musalia Mudavadi, and I am the daughter of Honorable Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi. We've gathered here on a very momentous occasion. However, before I introduce my father, I'd like to say a few things about him. So my dad started his career in politics in 1989. Yeah, okay. In 1989, under the presidency of the late President Daniel Arap Moi. May his soul rest in an eternal peace. Under President Moi's tenure, he served as the MP of Sabatia, the Minister of Supplies and Marketing, the Minister of Finance, the Minister of Agriculture, and the Minister of Information, Transportation, and Communication. He also served as the 7th Vice President of the Republic of Kenya. Under the presidency of the retired President Mwai Kibaki, my dad served as the Deputy Prime Minister of Kenya. We can see that he is clearly a strong, tried, experienced, very prominent figure in Kenyan politics. My dad is a champion for change for all Kenyans, regardless of their age, their gender, their ethnicity, and their class. He's an inspiration to both old and young leaders and a role model to many. Considering all the sacrifices my dad has made for this country due to his extremely selfless nature, kind heart, and integrity, I stand here very proud to say that this is my dad. Therefore, it is with my deepest honor I introduce the man himself of the moment, my dad, party leader of Amani National Congress, Honorable Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi.